Hey guys, myself Ankita. In this video we shall see another problem on LeetCode. Array to array form of integer. So array form of an integer num is an array representing its digit in left to right order. That means if they are given an integer called num as 1, 3 to 1, then its array form will be 1, 3, 2, 1. That is in left to right order. So given this num, which is in array form, and integer k, we have to return the array form of integer num plus k. So let's say a number which is in array form is 1, 2, 3 and k will be equal to 1. Then the output should be 123 plus 1. So that will give you 124 and the array form of this will be 1, 2, 4. This is what we need to return. So how do we solve this problem? So let me just erase all these things. Yeah. I'll take an example that can handle all the test cases. So yeah, that will be, let's say a given integer is of form 979 and 83. So k equal to 83. And this is the number which is in array form, array integer form. So we have to do this operation, right? So if you see the problem, yeah, array form. So if you see the problem, what we need to do exactly is like sum of the unit place digits. So this is nothing but 979, right? So sum of the last digit of the array and the unit digit in the kth integer. So that is 9 plus 3 would be 12. So see the resultant array will contain 2. Then this will be added to resultant array. And the remaining digit, whatever is present, that will be nothing but carry to the next sum. So it will be carry here. So the next sum will be 7 plus 8 plus this carry. So 7 plus 8. So once these two unit digits are done, next go to the next digit in the kth integer and also next element in the num array. So 7 plus 8 plus 1. So that will result in 16. So in the 16 also, you take only the unit place. So and its extra digit will be carry. That carry will be added to the next sum. So it will go here. So in the next sum, the k integer is exhausted. Both 8 and 3 we have added. And we are left only with the integer 9. And the carry. So 9 plus 1 will give you 10. So in this 10, we add only 0 to the resultant array. And 1 will be carry. So we don't have any integers left now, both in num and the k. So thus we just need to add the carry now. So adding carry to the resultant array. I'll give you 1, 0, 6, 2. We manually check 979 plus 83. We'll give first we add these two. So that will be 12, then 1 carry, then 8 plus 8, 16, then 1 carry. Then we'll give you 1 carry, 1 more carry, 1. So whatever addition operation performed here, that we are representing through this program code. So we will add each unit place digit and whatever carries we get, we add that to the next sum in the iteration. So now you may get to know why I have taken this example, because if I take a simple example 123, 4, then this won't handle cases of carry, how to handle with the carry part. And here you're getting an extra number even after both num and k are exhausted is carry as well. So all these cases to handle, I have taken this example. Now we shall see the logic of the program, how to solve this. So again, let's say 9. Okay. So this is 9, 7, 9. Then we have k equal to 83. So let I be an integer pointing, variable pointing to the end of the array called num. And we have k, and one more variable we will have a carry. So carry will equal to 0 initially. So as I said, we have to first do the summation, right? The unit place of both last integer of the num and the unit place of this. So why? I greater than equal to 0. Why greater equal to 0? Because we have 0th index value as well. Or k greater than 0. K greater than 0 means if what if the num integer length is lesser than k, then k will be more and it will have the remaining values even after adding the num values. So that's why k greater than 0 or carry greater than 0. So there may be condition where I is also not greater than equal to 0 or k is not greater than 0, but carry will be greater than 0. So at the last we have got carry greater than 0 condition. So in such case also we need to add those carries. So any of these three conditions becomes true. So at first I greater than equal to 0 we will check. So initially we will have int sum equal to 0, that is nothing but carry. Why am I writing sum equal to carry? Because in the example issue you can see 9 plus 3 if you do in it place, that will give you 12 and you add 2 only to the output array, whereas this 1 will be added to the next sum, that will be carry. So the next iteration this sum should be equal to carry by that time. So that's why we initialize sum equal to carry. So yeah, we need a resultant array called it's of type array list. So this is the resultant array. So in sum equal to carry initially. Now if I is greater than or equal to 0, if I is greater than or equal to 0, we have to add this to the sum. So sum equal to whatever carry is present, that should be there, plus particular element, num of I. So carry will be initially 0. If I take in this case, carry will be initially 0. So sum will be equal to sum equal to 0 plus sum of I will be 9. Sum will be 9 now. So next after this I should be decremented now. So I equal to minus minus. So I become 1. Initially I was 3. I was 2. So I equal to 2. There is a length end of the array 0, 1, 2, 2 things. So we handle this num value. Now we have taken a unit place from the num array. We have to take unit digit from the k integer as well. So how do we take that? So now if k is greater than 0. So if we take 89, how to fetch this unit digit? It is nothing but k modulus 10, right? So 83 modulus 10 will be nothing but remainder 3. So yeah, sum equal to whatever sum we got. So sum was initially num value, which were I sum plus. So this sum will contain carry and num integer if present. So num element plus carry if present, that sum will be there. Then sum plus this particular unit value, that is k modulus 10. So once this is done, now only the remaining digit we need in the k value because 3 is added already. So how to get the remaining digits? That is nothing but k by 10. K equal to k by 10. So 83 by 10 will give you quotient as 8. So k equal to k by 10. So this is one case which we need to handle. So now we have added the carry. Fine. Initially we added the carry because sum was initialized to carry itself. Then we added the element in the number in this case. Then we added the element in the kth integer also. Yeah. We added the number in the kth integer as well. So all these are done. Now we have the sum like 979 and 83, right? So 9 and 3 we have added. So 9 plus 3 nothing but 12. So we will get 12 as the answer as a sum. Sum equal to 12 by now. But in this 12, we need only 2 to be added to the resultant array. So again, how to get this unit place? It's nothing but modulus operation. So sum modulus 12. 12 modulus 10 will give you 12. So result dot add of sum modulus 12. Okay. Once this is on the remaining digit whatever present in the sum, that will be carried to the next sum. So carry will be equal to whatever this remaining digit sum by 10. So 12 by 10 will give you 1. So sum by 10. So again the next iteration will become. So by the next iteration I is equal to 1. So it will be pointing to this 7. Then k is value 8 we have got. So I equal to 1, that is having the value 7. K is equal to 8. Then sum will be initialized to carry. So carry will be 1 this time. because we have got this one carry from the previous sum. So initially sum equal to carry 1. Then you have to check if I greater than equal to 0. Yes, it is greater than equal to 0 and you add 7 to the sum. So sum will be 1 plus 7, that will be 8. Sum will become 8. So next we have to add this element also to the sum. So since only one element is present, 8 modulus 10 will give you 8 itself. That is itself is a unit digit. So 8 plus 8, that will give you 16. So k equal to k by 10 we have to perform. That will give you 0. So k becomes 0 by now. Next sum equal to 16 you have. And here you need to add only 6 to the resultant array and 1 will be the carry to the next sum. So 6 will be added, sum modulus 12. So sum modulus 10. Sorry. Then 1 will be added by sum by 10 carry. Again the next iteration, in this case k will be equal to 0 and I also equal to 0. Then sum will be initialized to carry. Carry is nothing but 1. Again we have got 1 as a carry in this sum, 16. So in this case also you check whether I is greater than or equal to 0. Yes, it is greater than or equal to 0. In this case I 0th value is nothing but 9. So sum equal to sum plus, that is 1 plus 9 will get to 10. Then you have to check k greater than 0. No, k is not greater than 0. It's exhausted. So don't take into consideration. Next, once you have sum equal to 10, here you have to check for the unit place that will be added to the output array. So that will be done by sum modulus 10. So 10 modulus 10 will give you 0. So 0 will be added to the output array and the remaining digit will be carry again. So now carry equal to 1 you have. So again you check for the condition whether I is greater than or equal to 0 because I minus minus will happen. So I will be minus 1 by this time. K is of course not greater than 0. So even these two conditions are not satisfied. Only carry is greater than 0 this time. Carry 1 we have. So that will be added at last to the resultant carry. Where you initialize sum equal to carry. So sum will be in 1. Then A is not greater than or equal to 0 and K is also not greater than 0. You just do result dot add of sum modulus 10. So 1 modulus 10 will give you 1. Now carry will be 1 by 10, that is 0. So all the conditions are satisfied. All the conditions are satisfied. I greater than or equal to 0, K greater than 0, C greater than 0. So we will code this. We will have the resultant array list of type integer name result equal to new array list. Then int carry equal to 0. Then int I equal to last element in the array num.length minus 1. So here this is sufficient. Now why I greater than or equal to 0 or k greater than 0 or carry whatever you have that is greater than 0, then first sum will be initialized to carry. So in sum equal to carry. The reason I have told here, right? Here only have said, yeah, 9 plus 3, 12. So 2 will be added to resultant array, but 1 should be the carry. So sum will be carry because this 1 will be added to the next sum here. So sum equal to carry. So once you do sum equal to, now check for if condition. If I greater than or equal to 0, first condition, then you have to add that to a particular element to the sum. So sum plus equals to num of I. Sum equal to sum plus num of I. So then decrement the I value because it's pointing at the end of the array. So after this again check for k in condition. If k is greater than 0, then we have to fetch the unit digit. So unit digit nothing but sum plus equals to k modulus 10. So this will give you unit digit. So sum equal to sum plus k modulus 10. So after that k value will end with k equal to k by 10. Because once you add the unit digit 3 to the array, 3 to the summation, then only the remaining digit will equal. So if it is 183, then 3 is added, k modulus 10. But remaining, how you will fetch? This is k by 10. This is k modulus 10. Okay. So k equal to k by 10. Yeah. So after this, yeah, carry is also added to the sum, num also added to the sum, k also added to the sum. So all are added to the sum. Once all are added to the sum, now you have to compute add sum to the resultant array. So result dot add of. So in this case also sum will be continued to the two digits, 12, right? So 2 only need to add it to the array. So how to fetch this? Again, sum modulus 10. And for the remaining thing, sum by 10. This is nothing but cat. So that is nothing but sum modulus 10. Then carry equal to sum by 10. So okay, one more thing we have to notice is now by this time we are traversing from the end of the array till the beginning, right? So the resultant array will contain 973 plus 979 plus 83 12 6 1063. Yeah. So resultant array will contain first 2 is added to resultant array, then 6 is added to resultant array, 0 is added to resultant array, 1 is added to resultant. But we need output reverse of this. So we do collections dot reverse of particular result. So collections dot reverse of result. Then you return the result. Okay, we will submit this. It has been successfully submitted. If you have any doubts, please drop it in the comment section. We'll come up with another video in the next section. And please subscribe to the channel and keep learning. Thank you.